In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Grok AI in Windows 11. Let's get started. I start by opening my web browser to the Google homepage. I click on the main search bar right in the middle of the screen and type in Grok. As I type, several search suggestions pop up below the search box, and I hit enter to run the search. This takes me to the Google search results page, where the top result displays Grok, followed by several related sublinks like Grok Chatbot, Grok Plans, and Sign In Required. I move my cursor up to the main Grok link at the very top of the results and click on it. This opens up the official website at grok.com. The page loads with a clean, minimalist white interface featuring the Grok logo right in the center. Directly below the logo is a search field containing the placeholder text. What do you want to know? To the right of this input field, there is a drop-down selector set to Fast, along with a microphone icon for voice inputs. I look over to the top right corner of the browser window and click on the three vertical dots to open the main browser settings menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, I slide my cursor down past settings like Downloads, Bookmarks, and History until I hover over the Cast, Save, and Share option. This action opens a secondary side menu with further choices. From this new list, I select and click on Create Shortcut. An overlay window immediately pops up near the top of the browser asking to create a shortcut, displaying the Grok logo and name with a checkbox option to Open as window. I begin typing out a detailed prompt. Teach me how credit cards work, including billing cycles, interest, and how to avoid paying extra fees. I scroll down the page to review the response. It starts with the key concepts of how credit cards work, breaking down terms like credit limit, available credit, transactions, payments, and how credit cards operate as revolving credit. Continuing to scroll down, the document outlines billing cycles, detailing statement closing dates and payment due dates. I keep scrolling down to see a list of common fees to watch for, such as annual fees, late payment fees, over-limit fees, and cash advance fees. Finally, the script provides 10 actionable steps on how to avoid paying extra fees and interest, concluding with additional tips regarding credit score impacts, rewards programs, and safety security protocols. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.